Hi everyone, welcome to week 15. Um, this is your final exam that I have ready for you, and I'm opening it up right now to give you a little bit of time because it's going to be due on Friday at 11:59. It's pretty easy though. So here is, if you open it, it's just a paper that you have to write, and it's not super detailed. Um, what you need to, I know some of you have some other stuff to finish up, so I tried to make it fairly painless. Once you open up, it's just got the description in it. What you need to do for your final exam, I'd like you to choose a book. So any book, children's book, but the book needs to be a good example of high quality fiction. You will write a paper that will include the following criteria. First, you need to explain why the book is considered high quality fiction using the articles that you read, um, that gives you ideas about stereotyping, good theme, racism, sexism, all of those things that you want to avoid when you're reading stories to children. Make sure you list the author and the illustrator. Explain what the theme is of the book. What is it about? Like, so when we read the books about Mo Willems, we talked about how, like, his book, um, the Elephant and Piggy books always had a really nice little, like, something to learn from it. Also, the bibliotherapy books we read obviously talked about divorce or death or whatever the topics were that you guys found. So explain what the theme is and why you would choose it as a book worthy to read to your children. Just explain why it's high quality literature. Next, I'd like you to think of 3 different ways you could extend the book. So think about the flannel stories and acting out the stories, and think about props you could put in the classroom or books that are similar. Just need to think of 3 of them and explain to me why those would be a good way to extend the book into the classroom. And that's it. I have to tell you guys, and I'm trying to tell you this at the end because I'm gonna cry. But my father passed away on Friday, so I thought about you guys because you guys were always so kind about it. I hope you guys have a fantastic summer. I'll get all of your grades in next week.